want you by my side. Every little piece of my heart broken in the dark, wishing I could hold you now.
Alright, my name's Austin Blacklock. This is my bike check. Starting off, I've got stock Verde fork. I know. I've got Mission Circuit V2 forks. I've got a 2013 Verde Cadet frame. Sunday top load freeze. Shadow Voltus Colt band grips. I've got Stolen Thermalite pedals. The stock crank. And then I've got a Shadow Serpent sprocket with a Stolen halfling. I've got a Stranger native seat with a Shadow Conspiracy seat post. Another stock back wheel with Shadow pegs. And that's my bike check.
Alright, my name's Alex Miller, and this is my bike check for OBKY BMX. I'm riding a Fit PK3 or a Queen 3. I got, start up here, I got Fiend team bars with mirrored cross checks, and I got a stock Fit stem, full deco headset. I'm running Colt D-Heart slicks on the front and rear for 2.4s. I got my Demolition limited edition pedals. I got my just stock Fit cranks. Everything pretty much is just stock Fit underneath. And then I got Revenge Industries laced to Federal, and then Revenge Industries laced to Federal Free Coaster. And I'm just running some Shadow sleeves with the Fit, just a Fit fiddle leather seat, I guess. And that's my bike check.
Hi, my name's Deacon Boone. I ride for ODI, Monster Energy, PHK, and OBKY BMX, and this is my bike check. I'm going to start up here with the bars. I have Primo rebars, 9-inch rods, 29 wide, ODI grips, the Primo top load annihilator V3 stem, Primo headset, Tree oaken forks, 25mm offset. Then I run E-Claw Street Circuit Fireball tires, 2.4s. And the front wheel, I have Primo N4FL complete. And four Primo binary 4.5-inch long pegs. Then working on back here, we got Fit seat, tripod with the fly seat post. Odyssey JCPC pedals, Primo Pro cranks, E-Claw vent guard with sprocket. And then Colt chain. Profile bottom bracket, no spacers, and then I run the Primo Premix Free Coaster, stock wheel, basically 4 hub guards, and another E-Claw Steve Churchill Fireball tire, and that's my bike check.